Hey guys, this is Kimball back again. From the choices we had, I chose big idea number 3 about how Earth is a complex system of interacting rock, water, air, and life. And just kind of how it says in that little title, how it just talks about how the Earth interacts through the 4 different spheres that it talks about, which is the geosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere, and how all those spheres interchange energy and how they affect us and all the different forms of life. And I just found this one to be the most interesting as I was going through the last project, and this is the one I chose. So the first sphere we're going to talk about is the geosphere. So this picture just kind of shows all the different parts of the Earth from the core to the part that we live on, and it's basically the geosphere is any of the spherical concentric regions of matter that make up the Earth. Some examples would be basically all the rocks and sand particles from the dry earth to the very bottom of the ocean. So anything that is made up of rock or minerals. And so this would also include mountains, lava, and then any type of metal because there's minerals in that as well. The next part is the hydrosphere. And so this is all the waters on Earth's surface, including lakes and oceans. And any water you can find there. And sometimes this will also include water over the Earth's surface, such as clouds, but not always. And so that's the hydrosphere, and that's just a picture of a wave, as I believe the Earth makes up, I believe, if I'm not correct, it's 90% of the hydrosphere. The next part is the atmosphere. So this is a picture of the Earth from space and showing the atmosphere. And the atmosphere is the envelope of gases surrounding the Earth. The atmosphere is made up of nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. And so those gases make up most of the atmosphere, and there's also trace amounts of other gases, but those are the main ones. And that is the atmosphere. And the last one would be the biosphere. And this is any part of the Earth where life can be found, including the air, land, surface, rocks, and water. And so just any part of the Earth where life is, and the biosphere is made up from microorganisms to animals to human beings. Anything that is alive and living is part of the biosphere. And so guys, that was the 4 parts that I wanted to talk about. And this is my sources, page 1, and then page 2 of my sources. But I just found this to be very interesting and I enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope everyone is having a good time in this class. Thanks.